Hello, this is Northeast Georgia Mountain Folk, and welcome to our channel.
We hope you enjoy our video. Where will we go from here?
Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. During the early days of the Georgia Gold Rush, vast deposits of gold were known to exist at the bottom of the Chestatee River. But mining was restricted to the shallow areas close to the riverbanks because miners lacked the means to exploit the untouched riches lying in the river's depths. In 1875, inventor and entrepreneur Philologus Hawkins Loud attempted a radically new idea. Loud's plan was to use a specially constructed boat capable of transporting a diving bell for mining the riverbed. Borrowing descriptions from previously issued patents, P.H. Loud incorporated the best ideas from several designs and adapted them for use in his river mining operations. The iron plates for constructing the diving bell were cast at the Pottstown Iron Company in Pennsylvania. The bell was partially assembled and transported by rail to Gainesville, Georgia. It was moved by wagon to the Chestatee River for final assembly. After several weeks of trials, the boat and diving bell were ready to begin retrieving buckets of gold-bearing gravel from the river bottom. Dropping anchor over an area in which gold was thought to be located, the diving bell was lowered through an open chamber in the center of the boat. Once it was securely seated on the riverbed, excess water was forced out by pressurized air. Miners would descend into the diving bell through the airlock. Two hatches and an air valve inside the airlock allowed the men to regulate the atmospheric pressure inside. Four round glass windows mounted on the roof allowed ambient light to illuminate the inside of the diving bell. The airlock tube also had a glass window. Once inside the diving bell, miners would shovel the auriferous gravel into a large vacuum tube that pumped it to the boat deck. Then it was washed in a sluice box that separated the gold from the gravel. Which were too big for the tube were probably placed into buckets or the ballast storage bins to be transported to the deck. When finished, the miners would exit through the airlock and the diving bell was hoisted to the surface. Although the procedure seemed promising, all evidence indicates that the machinery was never used to its full potential. Mechanical breakdowns, legal problems, and bad weather all contributed to the eventual demise of the operation.